Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Abba. And I don't know whether you've heard of Baobab before, but Baobab is one of the very indigenous, very nutritious plant-based sources you need to really add to your meals. And you can use Baobab powder for ice cream and for juices or drinks. And that is what we're going to do today. So we're going to be doing Baobab ice cream, which is more plant-based kind of ice cream. But we're going to add a bit of milk and stuff to it to also meat things in there. But there's one local ice cream recipe which is very healthy, more affordable to the pocket as well, and it's very essentially very good as well. And for this, my nephews will be teaching you how to work with baobab powder today. Like I said, we're going to dig into the ice cream, how it's made, and then how that works. So to make your ice cream, you actually need your baobab powder, you need your sugar or any sweetener of your preference, you need some essence, you need some good milk, and Ghana's premium milk is what? Ideal milk. Yeah, so you need some good milk in there as well. So we pour in the baobab powder, we add in the sugar, we add in the milk. With the friend of shegum, pour everything into it. You're going to actually dispense of all the milk in because we want it to be very creamylicious in there as well. So you're going to just mix all of these up together beautifully. Baobab takes a bit of, like, the powder absorbs a lot of the moisture, and so we're going to add all the milk in there as well. And this is Papa, my 4-year-old nephew, teaching you how to make baobab ice cream recipe. So give him a like, give him some thumbs up in the like part, give him a thumbs up in the comment section, let him feel motivated. Yes, then he can give you more recipes, because yes, my nephews, they do a lot of cooking and they know how to cook a lot. So please, this is Cooking with Abba, but today we're cooking with Papa as well. So yes, you're going to mix this up, and like I said, baobab actually takes a lot of water, or takes a lot of moisture, and so we added in water. All the description of the ingredients, the quantities are in the description button. We just mix this all up, and then we add in the essence. The essence is going to add some sort of fragrance, flavor, aromatics in there as well. And then after mixing all of this up, we're going to have to scoop this into our mold. This is a local ice cream recipe, especially from up north Ghana, northern Ghana, local recipe. And we fortified it. We've added more gigs to it. Yes. And when a fancy person does something, they add their fancy vibes to it. So that is part of it. So yes, we scoop it into our molds. Yes, this is usually used for belly walls. Yes, which is like a local ice cream as well. So we pour it into our cups, which we're going to do. If you don't have the molds, you can use the cup. In fact, if you don't even have cups, we're going to teach you something else you can use as well. So we do that, and then we're going to put our sticks in so that it helps you easily remove and then eat. You can tie it up into some polythenes if you don't have the cups or the mold. And we even had some vitamin C, effervescent ones, the containers. We use that as well. If you have the molds, yes, you can have fun with the ice cream molds. That one, you just put the popsicle molds. Yes, you can just use that as well. Whatever you have, like, you can make most of it. So whether you have the cups of the ability walls, you have rubber, or if you have any container that can give you a nice shape or help you freeze your thing, that is all that matters. Then we put in the sticks to actually help us remove and hold it when it's time to eat. Then we put it into the freezer. Usually do this in the evening so that by morning it is well frozen and you can enjoy it, because it has to freeze properly. Like 7-8 hours is good. So just do it overnight. And by morning, it's going to be dead rocky, sweet, and good to go. So if you want to eat your abele walls, usually you have to run it under some water to help the ice cream come off the container or the mold, and then you can enjoy this up. So this is very easy to do, and this is something you should try whenever you have access to some baobab powder. Now this is the drink version, Baobab Drink, which my nephew is also going to teach you how to do it. So this is IJ's Baobab Drink recipe, which is also very easy to do. And you need your essence, your Baobab powder, you need some sugar, a bit of warm water, and evaporated milk, and a lot of water ice chilled water because you want to enjoy this there and then. We're going to be serving this with some ice cubes as well. So in your mixing bowl, you pour in your baobab powder. You're going to add in your sugar or any sweetener of your preference. Mix up all the dried ingredients before we add in the wet ingredients. But to make it easy and smoother, you just have to add in a bit of hot water to help, the baobab milk paste up properly. Because if you use just the cold water directly, you may get a bit of lumps in there. And this is a drink you are drinking directly. So you don't want to have lumps in there. And baobab powder, you can get it in the supermarket or wherever they sell these how do I call it? Healthier options of food. Yes, food supplements and all those ones. You can get those in there as well. They are very much available. We bought this in Ghana. And when you go to a very local market, when you ask for those who sell this indigenous stuff too, you get some from there. And we added a bit more of evaporated milk, very creamy, to have that creaminess in there. And this is just bell. Like around this point, we were fighting because people were just doing a thing and still eating the thing. So we mixed that in and we added in the essence as well to help with, the fragrance of it as well, the aroma of it, that thing. It has to smell good. So the aroma is also very necessary. Use the essence in there as well. Mix everything beautifully. You realize that when you use the hot water, you gives you that creaminess and no lumps as well. At this point, increase it in volume with water because this is not ice cream. This is actually what? A juice, is a drink. So we need to what? Add in water and mix so that it loosens up and it becomes less viscous, and then we can enjoy it with our eyes. If you've liked this video or if you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a like, a thumbs up, say something nice to encourage them to give you more content in the comment section. If you have any question for them to, please leave in the comment section and they'll do well to get back to you. But yes, this is my nephews, IJ, and then Papa teaching us things to do with baobab powder. And yes, we enjoy this in the evening with some ice cubes. Over some ice cubes, you can just enjoy this as well in there. It's very creamy, it's very nutritious, it's very healthy. Check the bio for some of the things or the facts about baobab as well. And this is very much available in Ghana. Yes, we did this in Ghana. So if you're in Ghana and you're taking advantage, please. If you're outside Ghana, you can check online where you can get some of these, but these are very nutritious, 100% and a zillion percent. Till I see you in the next food video, do live life to the fullest, be joyous, be merry, lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.